What's up, traders? It's your boy Edson from Forex Clubhouse, back with another breakdown of a winning trade. This one is a textbook example of how strategy, patience, and discipline can pay off big in Forex trading. In today's video, I'm walking you through the exact steps I took to analyze the market, find the perfect entry, and manage the trade all the way to the target. Whether you're new to trading or looking to sharpen your skills, this video is packed with tips and insights you can use right away. So grab your notepad and let's decode these winning trades together. So the first trade was taken on volatility 25 index and we did take a selling position. So the question comes, sir, how did you come to a conclusion that you are selling this market while clearly this market has been moving on an upward direction? So we as day traders, the informations that we came to a conclusion later always starts from the daily time frame. So let us see what's the daily time frame was showing us. Now, on the daily time frame, you can see that this market has been moving on a very strong uptrend direction. So we as day traders, they say always ride the trend, right? If the market is moving in an uptrend direction, providing you a series of higher highs and higher lows, then you should always just looking for buying positions as never go against the trend. So based on this illustration, you can also find that after the break of structure, for example, right here, the market has to retest before playing out. So we as day trader, we say, okay, we are trading every day. You cannot just stay idle waiting for the market to come all the way to this point right here to retest and play out. Okay, so since we know that this market at some point has to come all the way to this point to retest before playing out, we said, okay, but this is the daily time frame. Let us see the amount of pips from this position to here. Oh my god, almost 8,000 points. This is too many points to just stay idle and wait for the market to come. So we said, let us go on the 1 hour time frame to see if we will find a possible and good system that will make us be able to get or to ride the trade until to this area of retesting. So we went to the 1 hour time frame. I want you to listen attentively, and I will also show you the trade, another trade that we see on the screen of volatility 75, how we did get that selling position on volatility 75. So I want you to be very attentive on this video. So on the 1 hour time frame, we said, okay, the market was previously moving in an uptrend direction very beautifully like this, and you can see right here providing us with series of higher highs, higher lows, just a perfect definition of an uptrend direction. But the moment the market came and broke this structure right here, it said, okay, now the market has finally provided us with a shift of the market structure. All right. What is a shift of the market structure? A shift of the market structure just means it's the word itself is just self-explanatory. It just means the market that was moving, providing us with series of higher highs and higher lows, it is making a shift and it starts to move, providing us with series of lower lows and lower highs. Hence the term shift of the market structure. So we said, okay, since the market is already making a shift of the market structure from series of higher highs and higher lows to a series of lower lows and lower highs, and we said, okay, let us see how the market is supposed to move in the new series of lower lows and lower highs. And we said, okay, let us see how the market is supposed to move. You can see here we have our lower high, lower low. The market came to retest at this point and we missed this entry, but we said, okay, the market after the break of structure, it will come to areas of liquidity. And you can see the market came exactly to an area for liquidity right here, providing us with a sniper entry because we knew areas of liquidity at this point. It's at this point. Some people will say, okay, after the break of structure, I will just wait for the market to retest to this point. No, you have to look inside the area of the break of structure if there are areas of liquidity. Here's where most of the traders find it difficult to identify the areas of liquidities in the structures. But either way, all this knowledge is given for free in the Telegram group where these trades have been shared. If you want to join my Telegram group, the link can be found in the description below. So make sure you join that Telegram group so that you don't miss any minor details that I may miss providing on this YouTube channel. All right. So after the break of this structure, we said, okay, here is our area of liquidity. We placed our orders right here. Many orders, as you can see on the video on the screen, and the market finally played out. Now the market again came to break this structure right here. All right. So since we know this market is supposed to go all the way to a retesting point on the daily time frame based on the information we have saw on the daily time frame, we can say, okay, you can wait. You can also get another opportunity to ride this market, but you have to be careful because the market can decide to do anything. That's why they say trading is just a probability game. All right. It is not a mass game, but all the conferences for now it shows that this market is on a downtrend direction. All right. Either way, how to manage this trade, our first take profit was at this point right here, because at this point right here you can see the market can retest all the way back to your entry. All right, so to avoid leaving any money on the table, we always take our first take profits on areas of either support or resistance based on the direction of that current trend while continuing riding that trend. This helps us to avoid leaving any money on the table. So let us see how we did take another trade on volatility 75 index, the trade that we are seeing on the screen. We're here having our take profit already taken out on this area of resistance of a risk reward ratio of 1:2, a perfectly and very reasonable risk reward ratio. So don't say, okay, your take profit is way below. No, 1:2 is a very, very reasonable risk reward ratio for any trader out there. Although we keep refining our entries by monitoring the trade. So let us see why we take a selling position on volatility 75. So let us start as usual on the daily time frame because we are day traders, all right? We are day traders and all of our informations have to start on the daily because hey, we are starting our day and let us see what the daily time frame is showing us. Because all of the decisions that we will make as day traders on the lower time frames will come from the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame right here, you can see this market. First of all, it was moving in series of lower lows and lower highs right here. But the moment the market broke this structure right here, it provided us with a shift telling us, okay, I will no longer continue moving with providing you a series of lower lows and lower highs. And possibly I'm going to start providing us with series of higher highs and higher lows, just like this. All right. So we said, okay, that information is very, very interesting. Very, very interesting to watch. Let us continue to monitor this market. But it failed to continue providing us with series of high highs and high lows by the break of this structure right here. So again, this uptrend, or I can say this wannabe uptrend direction, came to an end by the break of this structure right here. So that's where you can say the market can do anything it wants. What we are doing here, we're not fighting against the market, but we are trading the information that the market provides us with on the charts. All right, you will not say, okay, the market has already provided us with a shift right here, this market must continue moving on an upward direction until to these exponential numbers up here. No, the market can decide to go in either way. We just have to consume the information that we got on this market. So after the market broke this structure, then the market formed another lower here. It went all the way up to retest to this area and before playing out, and it had been moving in a correction or a ranging market for many days, because here we are on the daily time frame and we can see here each candlestick represents 1 day. So it took almost 2 weeks, so we can say almost 2 weeks for the market to finally break past below this structure. So we said, okay, since the market has provided us with a shift right here and possibly we are waiting for this market to go on a downturn direction, let us see, we as day traders, we as retail traders, let us see if we will get to ride with the big banks, those guys who have millions in their trading account, because hey, we are just small fishes in this $1 trillion market of forex trading worldwide. Your $1,000, your $10,000 is just like adding salt in the ocean. It doesn't move anything. All right, so you can see right here the market after the break of this structure right here, the market came to our areas of liquidity and we marked this point as our area of liquidity. And you can see the market just took our entry with a weak rejection, just a weak rejection. You can say this was just a sniper entry and the market faded out. Or you can see how beautiful it is. So here the important question you can ask yourself, how to identify areas of liquidity. That's the major points that you have to always take into consideration. So you can keep riding this trend provided the market does not decide to say, okay, I'm not going any more down and I'm going up, because the market, as we said, it can do anything. What we are doing is we are not fighting against the market, but we are consuming the market information that it gives us at the current moment. So guys and girls, that's the breakdown of my winning trades. It wasn't just about luck, As you can see, it was just about sticking to the plans, trusting my strategy, and letting the market do the work. If you found this video valuable, smash that like button and subscribe for more real-life trading insights. Drop a comment below and let me know what's your biggest takeaway from this trade, or if you have any questions about the strategy, I'd love to help you out. Make sure you just join my Telegram group whose link can be found in the description below. Until next time, guys and girls, trade smart, always stay disciplined, and let's keep winning together.